This is the part 2 video. In the first part, I have shown you how to install and format computer. If you haven't seen the first part, then click on the IO button or check in the description below. After formatting your laptop, you will face the missing drivers in your computer. As you can see that my screen resolution has changed. First, let's get the desktop icon on the desktop screen. To check your drivers, you have to go to the My Computer and click on the Properties and click on Device Manager. You have to install a graphic driver for better resolution. Your graphic driver is missing and yellow exclamation mark is a missing driver. This is your trial version Windows 7 and also your Windows is not activated. And if you want to know how to activate a Windows 7, please click on the I button or else check in the description below. In this video you will learn to install drivers in fully clean formatted computers. Go to the Google Chrome and type Best Driver Finder software in the search bar and click on the link on the first page, scroll down and click on Driver Booster and download. Scroll down and click on the link and you will be directed to a download page. Click on free download and wait for a moment. Or else join me on Telegram for direct download of software. I will give you the direct link download in the description below. Let's install the driver software. Click on No Thanks and press Next. Before going any further, I request you guys please do like and subscribe my channel. Click again No Thanks. Installation is completed and you have to scan now for the drivers. And if you see this kind of message, just go back and close. Ignore all the message that is displayed on the screen. Scanning is completed. You can click Update Now for all driver update. But now, first of all, I will update only the graphic driver. Because my internet speed is slow, I am using internet through Android mobile USB tethering. My VGA graphic driver is updated, so I have to restart the computer. After restarting my computer, my screen resolution is changed. In the same manner, you can update other drivers such as network driver, PCI driver. In this way, you can install the missing driver in your computer. If the video was helpful, then please like and subscribe my channel. Join me on Telegram for free software. And for Windows queries, message me on Instagram. End of the video. Here are some important videos that may help you. We will meet again in the next video. Thank you for watching.